Magandang umaga po muli sa lahat.
Magandang umaga, Father.
One of the 7 capital sins, alam naman natin, ay envy, no? Inggit. No? Kung tayo ay may kinaiinggitan, no? Naku, napakahirap. No? Parang minsan, lagi natin kino-compare yung ating sarili. No? Naku, bakit ganyan? No? Bakit mas maganda? Bakit mas sexy? Bakit mas matalino, mas mayaman, laging ganyan. If we compare ourselves, naku, kawawang-kawawa tayo. No? God gave us everything necessary para tayo maligtas. Pag pinatangkad pa na tayo, pinagwapo pa tayo, mas maganda pa tayo, baka hindi tayo maligtas. Alam ng Diyos, eksakto kung anong kailangan natin. Let us not be insecure. Let us be secure with what God has given us. Pero napakadali sabihin, pero kaminsan, no, we cannot help it. That's why we have to trust in God's security. No? Nung nasa seminaryo ako, alam ko may kinainggitan ako no? Until one day, the good Lord touched me and assured me of His love. At from then on, parang natulungan ako, no? Mas na secure. No? Insecurity yan no? Pag hindi tayo pag talagang hindi tayo komportable sa ating sarili. Let us find refuge in God alone. Alam niya kung ano nararapat para sa atin. Kaya ang solusyon talaga ay mapa sa atin ng Diyos. Pag nasa atin ng Diyos, we are confident of this because of that gift of God's presence in our lives. If we realize how God loves each and every one of us, then there's enough confidence, enough security to move on. Otherwise, talaga naman, kaawa-awa tayo. Lagi natin hinahambing yung ating sarili at siguradong meron tayong kakainin tayo with that monster, the green monster of envy that will kill us. Let us ask the good Lord to touch us, as in the gospel, to touch us and heal us from this monster of envy. Let us allow the good Lord to make us present in our lives. Share this love. Be grateful for what we have and share this with others to heal us as we celebrate God's love in confidence. Salamat sa Diyos. We thank God for the child Jesus, the Santo Niño, like a little child, confident of the parents' love, confident of God's love, to be able to move on and not get stuck with jealousy and envy. Salamat sa Diyos.